Sound effects. This is a MOLLE panel. It's an accessory for most trucks. You use it to add storage to your vehicle, so you get some hooks, Velcro straps, some sort of strap, and attach whatever you want to these plates. However, this one is made just for the Cybertruck. The company Any6 sent over a whole kit. So I got a cargo divider, I got this 2 side panels, and I'm 3D printing some hooks to demonstrate how these work. So I'll be doing a review video, install, and then giving you guys some like afterthoughts on what I think. And so far, I mean, these look great. I've been trying to get the official ones from Tesla, but they're continuously out of stock. And after seeing some of the reviews online, I think aftermarket is the way to go with these. So let me start with the assembly and then we'll move on from there. All right, so the first thing you want to do is install these 3 brackets. So you simply take these and you drop them into place. And then there's a couple of screws that go through the panel and screw onto the back side of this. Screws are a little bit screwy, but they're holding on. After that, it was time to mount the panels on. So you want to first align the location that you want and get a rough idea of where to put the nuts. So to install these, you simply select the hole that you want and drop your nuts in between them. Then you take the panel, put the screw in it beforehand, balance it in one hand, and try to hit the nut that you put in. There's that one holding on. Let me do the other. All right, there's the second one. Soft fit. So far good. Don't be like me and make sure you tighten the right one. I was tightening that one. That's for the bracket. You need the one underneath. Quick test of the tonneau cover to make sure it works, and it works. No issues whatsoever, so let's do the other side. Through the magic of editing, this one went so much easier than the first. It's already dark now, but there's 1 and 2. The only thing that does suck is this tool that it comes with. Basically stripped itself trying to get the screws in. Other than that, those are in. Time for the volt divider. All right, so the other day that I was filming, I actually ran out of daytime, and then we had an event here in Southern California called the Santa Ana Winds, so it would have just made it impossible to try to do any of this while filming and not getting all sorts of static. So today I'm going to be putting on the cargo divider. Based on the instructions, it's pretty easy. You don't even need any tools really. It works just like the Tesla model, or I'm sorry, the Tesla version, where you simply have a latch up here. These slide into the T slot, and then you adjust the leveling legs down at the bottom to make sure that it sits right, which the Tesla version doesn't have. And I've heard that causes some issues where it doesn't fit in all the different slots. So let me get this installed and we'll see how it looks. All right, so I want this thing far back enough where my son's stroller still fits. So that's about, yeah, I think my kid's stroller will fit there. So I'll go a little bit more just for extra space. Stroller can go there, and then groceries over there, and I have enough for about 2 of those Home Depot totes fit back here. So I think you just line it up, let's see, and then hit the latch. Oh wow, that's smooth. Oh. Hell yeah, look at that. That's locked. And then we just adjust these legs. How the top of my head look? All right, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. I wonder how easy it is to adjust now. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Make sure it's in the right hole, guys. All right, so in the beginning of the video, I mentioned 3D printed hooks. That would be these guys. So these are made out of ABS. Shameless plug, I made these myself. And these are for giving you mounting points so you don't have to strap stuff down. I'm working on other versions. I'm thinking like if you want to put tools and stuff like that on there. All right, so if you buy these hooks from me, it's a set of 5. You can see they fit pretty snugly in there. And now the real purpose is to hang stuff up there that you're probably not going to be using every time. Just add extra storage, if you know what I mean. See, like this guy, one of my followers that just watches but never comments or likes or anything. Throw him on a hook there too till next year. All right, so as you can see, the cargo divider was super easy to install. The side panels are already on. I got my hooks on there, and then I have some stuff just for demonstration purposes hanging, including that green bag that I didn't test fully, but like I said, it's like 30 pounds and it's holding strong. So overall, the panels are great. The powder coat finish is incredible. I'm really happy with them, and I want to say thanks to Any6 for sponsoring this video. I've left a discount code for you guys down at the bottom. It's Alan's Inventions to get 20% off anything you guys buy from them. I do have another video that's upcoming on a swivel screen mount for the Tesla Cybertruck. Make sure to hit subscribe so you get notified when that one drops. And if you're interested in the hooks or my light or any of the equipment that I used, all that's going to be down at the bottom. I did use affiliate links. It just helps my channel grow and helps me bring you guys more content. So check out the shots of the MOLLE panels and the cargo divider, and I'll do another video soon.